How to add link to TikTok video. So first of all, open TikTok application. Make sure that you're on the category of profile. Now in my case, I already have a draft video created, so I'm going to tap on it. Or else if you wish to create a video, you can go ahead and tap on this plus icon. So let's go ahead and tap on drafts. Now tap on any video you have on your draft. Now, once you create a video or open a draft video, tap on this alphabet icon. You can directly paste the link. Now you can just go ahead and tap on Done. So this is one of the ways through which you can add a link, or else what you can do is go ahead and tap on Next. Then, under Add Description, you can go ahead and paste the link directly over here, like this. Then again, go ahead and select on More Options. Now over here under Advanced Settings, you can see Add Link. Now, in order to enable this option, you would have to switch your account to business account. So for that, you would need to verify entire business profile settings steps. After this, you can go ahead and tap on Post, and with that, you will easily be able to add a link to your TikTok video. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.